How to create push notifications for triggers. Push notifications on triggers allow you to send an alert to yourself when someone is added to a campaign. You can set up a custom message that will be sent along with the notification. Step 1 is to set up the trigger. Navigate to your Triggers section and click to add a new trigger. For Part 1, What Should Trigger This Rule, choose Added to Campaign, and you can further filter this out to specify a specific campaign if you'd like, or if you don't filter it out, the action will apply for all of your campaigns. For Part 2, What Actions Should We Perform, choose Send Notification. Fill out the information accordingly and type the message you wish to use. Save and activate the trigger. Please note that you can use various actions to completely customize this trigger. Maybe you want to use this for when a customer replied instead of when a campaign is added for someone. You can use multiple different options to use push notifications for your system to allow you to stay in touch with where your contacts are in your system. It's as easy as that. Congratulations, you're all set.